Hello again everybody, welcome to an eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection box break number 28. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Here's the serial number, NE189538464. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. Here we go. Start off with the base card for the Canadians of Jean Beliveau. Number 196 out of 399. We have an Ultimate Rookies for the Oilers of Milan Kitnar. 243 out of 399. Another Edmonton hit. It's an Ultimate Signatures card of Yari Curry. Nice hit for Edmonton. And to finish it off, we have an Ultimate Rookie Patches for the Buffalo Sabres of Zach Kassian. 12 out of 65. That card goes to Buffalo. So nice hit to finish it off. So thank you very much again everybody for watching. Hope to see you again next time.